Question number 13. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay students, before solving this question, as we know, smallest 3-digit number is 100 and largest 3-digit number is 999. Now, according to this question, we need to find all the numbers between 100 and 999 and that are divisible by 7, right? So firstly, let's check whether this 100 is divisible by 7 or not by dividing it by 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7 and here remains 3 and this 0 comes down. 7 fours are 28. Now after subtracting here we obtain as a remainder 2 and this 2 further can't be divided by 7. So here we came to know 7 doesn't divide 100 exactly. तर यदि यहाँ 2 को ठाउँमा 7 भइदिएको भए it would be divided by 7. Okay, so 2 लाई यदि 7 बनाउनु हो भने here we have to add 5. It means when we add 5 to 100, then it will be divided by 7. So after adding 5 to 100, then we obtain a new number, that is 105, which is divisible by 7. Again, when we add 7 to 105, then we will obtain new number which is divisible by 7, that is 112. Similarly, when we add 7 to 112, then we obtain new number, that is 119, and it is also divisible by 7. Okay students, in this way these three are first 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7. Now let's find last 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 by dividing this 999 by 7. 7 ones are 7 and here remains 2 and this 9 comes down. 7 fours are 28 and here remains 1 and this 9 comes down. 7 twos are 14 and finally after subtracting we obtain as a remainder 5. And here we came to know this 999 is not divisible by 7, but when we subtract this 5 from 999, in that condition it can be divided by 7. So after subtracting 5 from 999, we obtain new number, that is 994, and it is divisible by 7. Okay students, in this way here we have obtained a sequence of number, and in this sequence this is A, this is A2 and this is A3 and it continues till 994. So it is last term of this sequence denoted by AN. Now let's list out whatever we have. Here A equal to 105, and D, that is common difference, will be A2 minus A. A2 equal to, we have 112 minus A equal to 105, and after subtracting we obtain D, that is common difference is 7, and last term, that is AN, is given here 994. 4. And here we need to find total number of terms which is divisible by 7 and total number of terms denoted by n. And we can easily find this number of term by using formula, and that formula is a plus n minus 1 into d equal to a n. And here a equal to we have 105 plus n minus 1 into d equal to we have obtained here 7 equal to an equal to we have 994. Now let's solve 105 as it is plus, and here n into 7n plus into minus 1 into 7 equal to 994. Now 7n equal to 994, and here this plus 105 and minus 7, after subtracting we obtain 98, and this plus 98 goes to RHS and becomes minus 98. And here n equal to 994 minus 98, then we obtain 896 by, and this 7 goes to RHS over here. Now 7 1s are 7, and this 7 can divide 896 by 128 times. So here we obtain total number of term is 128. It means there are 128 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 7, right? Question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Okay students, here we need to find all the multiples of 4 which lie between 10 and 250. And here multiples of 4 means those numbers which can be divided by 4 without leaving a remainder, right? So here just after 10, multiple of 4 will be 4 3s are 12. Similarly 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, and it continues till here just before 250 multiple of 4 will be let's check over here by dividing it. 250 divided by 4, 4 6s are 24, and after subtracting here will be 1, and this 0 comes down. 4 2s are 8. Now after subtracting here will be remainder 2. So when we subtract this remainder from 250, then we obtain new number, that is 248, and it is a multiple of 4 which lie just before 250. So the multiple of 4 which lie just before 250 is 248. Okay students, in this way here we have obtained a sequence of number. Now as per question, how many such multiples of 4 which lie between 10 and 250 we need to find here, or simply here we need to find number of term, right? So here in this sequence of number, this is A, this is A2, and this is A3, and this is last term denoted by AN, right? So now list out whatever we have here. A, that is first term, is 12. D, or common difference will be A2 minus A. A2 equal to we have 16 minus A equal to we have 12, and after subtracting we obtain common difference, that is 4. AN, or last term, is 248, and here we need to find number of term denoted by n, and here we can easily find this number of terms by using formula, and that formula is, okay, firstly let's erase this. Our formula is A plus n minus 1 into D equal to A n, and here A equal to we have 12 plus n, we need to find 1 into D equal to we have 4 equal to AN, that is last term, we have 248. Now 12 as it is, and here plus into plus plus, and 4 into n, 4n minus into plus minus, 4 ones are 4 equal to 248. Again 4n equal to 248, and here this plus 12 and minus 4, after subtracting here we obtain plus 8, and this plus 8 goes to RHS and becomes minus 8. Now n equal to, okay, firstly 248 minus 8, we obtain 240, and this 4 goes to RHS over here by 4. Now 4 ones are 4, and this 4 can divide 240 by 60 times. So here in this way we have obtained n equal to 60. It means we can say that there are 60 multiples of 4 which lie between 10 and 250.